Well, we survived the winds. We had some 60-mile-an-hour gusts hitting us. Today was mostly in the 60s. Very damp air. Built a fire in the house just to get the dampness out. I'll only load it up once, and then that's it. That'll be enough to get the dampness out of the house. Was pushing around that damn thing pretty much this morning. Was interesting driving in. Didn't need the generator. We didn't lose heat, but we did discover one thing. If we put water in the tub, we need to close the bathroom door. This morning we woke up to a very wet bathroom floor, and it's because of the cat. He likes playing in the water, and he splashed it all over Hell's Half Acre. Now we've got a very clean bathroom floor. So we learned a few things from this one. Very few things. I mean, we were set. We're as set as we're ever going to be. It's nice being a prepper. You ain't got to worry about shit. But here it is. It's 5 o'clock. The day after. We survived. No power outage. The trees didn't come down. I wasn't worried about that one. That's a nice pine, or a nice oak, I should say. I was kind of concerned about that and that one. But that one there has been around for just a couple of years. So, anywho, just to let you know, not a big thing, was nothing but a thing, much ado about nothing. Peace out.